Hi, my name is Allison, and I'm the owner of a boys retail clothing boutique, and I give Shopify a 5 out of 5. Shopify was my first choice. When I was with them for a while, I eventually switched over to Wix because I thought they were cheaper and I thought it would be a little bit better for me. When once I switched over to Wix, I noticed that Shopify was had a lot more features, had a lot more apps, and it was more user friendly. So I ended up switching right back to Shopify. I also considered GoDaddy as well, but in the end, Shopify just had so many more features that I could use for my business. I chose Shopify because of all of the different apps that you could add into the software. I needed different designs for my website, and Shopify provided apps that I could customize my site to look the way that I wanted it to look. It also had website trackers where I could see how many people were going on my website, and then I could also integrate Facebook and Instagram into my Shopify sites as well. So that was something that made running my business a lot more easier and a lot more user friendly, being able to integrate various different apps into the Shopify platform. It was fairly easy to integrate Shopify into my business. Once I created my account and integrated my web address, then I went ahead and started creating my website. Shopify has all of these helpful tips to help you through the process. They have an online chat, so if you get stuck, you can chat with someone and they can help you um, get through any roadblocks that you have with setting up your site. If I needed to add other users to the site, they had some support for that, so it was easy for me to add, employees onto the site so that they can access it as well. And then, like I said before, the apps were super user friendly. It was just one click, and then they were already integrated into my site as well. And then, if there were issues with any of the apps, I could go directly to those owners as well, and they would help with the support and getting the integration onto my website. Overall, it's just been a super easy process working with Shopify and adding it into my business. To anybody who's new, who's starting out and wants to integrate Shopify into their business, the advice I could give is to just do your research, and you'll see that there's millions of other people who are also successful using Shopify. And you can also go on their website and look at other websites who have integrated with Shopify and see, how beautiful their websites look and see all of the different features that Shopify offers for your company. I think it's a no-brainer. The price is reasonable, and it's worth every penny. So I think anybody who's new starting out should definitely look into Shopify.